Hi students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve a trigonometric problem. So the question is, simplify cos A over 1 minus tan A plus sin A over 1 minus cot A. So there are four options given out there. Among these, one option is right. Let's begin. So the question is, cos A over 1 minus tan A plus sin A over 1 minus cot A. So this is the question we have given. So the options are in terms of cos and sin, but we have a tan and cot in the question. So we need to eliminate tan and cot and replace it with cos and sin. So what we know, there is a formula for these two things, tan A and cot A. So which states that tan A equals sin A over cos A, right? And cot A equals cos A over sin A. These are the two formulas, right? So we need to just substitute these formulas here. So this becomes cos A over 1 minus sin A over cos A plus sin A over 1 minus cos A over sin A. Here the denominator is 1 minus sin A by cos A, right? So we need to cross multiply the cos A into 1 to get a same denominator. So this becomes cos A over, so 1 times cos A is cos A minus sin A over cos A. Similarly here also, sin A over 1 times sin becomes sin A minus cos A over sin A, right? So here we have three terms in the fraction. What should we do now? So let's see the question. Cos A over 1 minus tan A. So the cos A in the numerator is same as here, right? Cos A. So the numerator doesn't change. 1 minus tan A is the denominator. Here we transform the denominator as cos A minus sin A by cos A, right? So the numerator is cos A by 1, right? And the reciprocal of the denominator, cos A minus sin A by cos A, is cos A over cos A minus sin A, right? Plus here the numerator is sin A as it is given in the question. So sin A over 1 times the reciprocal of the denominator, sin A minus cos A over sin A, is sin A over sin A minus cos A, right? So what happens next? The numerator of the first term is cos A times cos A, which means cos square A, right? So let me write in the next page. So the numerator becomes cos square A and the denominator is 1 times cos A minus sin A, which becomes cos A minus sin A, right? So cos A minus sin A, and then plus sin A times sin A becomes sin square A. So sin squared A over the remaining terms in the denominator are 1 times sin A minus cos A. So sin A minus cos A. Here we have two different denominators, so we can't add or subtract the numerators, right? So we need to get the same denominator. Here we have cos A minus sin A. Here sin A minus cos A. We just need to multiply a minus 1 to get cos A minus sin A here, right? So times minus 1 by minus 1. We need to multiply and divide by minus 1, which equals cos squared A over cos A minus sin A, and then 1 times minus 1 becomes minus. So 1 times sin square A becomes sin square A, right? So multiplying this minus 1 with the minus cos A becomes plus cos A, right? So we just write here, and then minus 1 times plus sin A becomes minus sin A. Here we get the same denominator, so we can add or subtract the numerator, right? So this becomes cos squared A minus sin squared A over cos A minus sin A. The numerator look like an algebraic identity called A square minus B square, right? So let me write here, A square minus B square equals A minus B times A plus B. This is an algebraic identity, right? Replacing A as cos A and B as sin A, we get cos squared A minus sin squared A equals A minus B, which means cos A minus sin A times cos A plus sin A, right? So we just substitute this thing. Cos A minus sin A times cos A plus sin A, right? The denominator is cos A minus sin A. Fine. So we have cos A minus sin A in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So we just cancel both the terms. So we are left with cos A plus sin A. Fine. So out of these 4 options, option D is the right answer. We have sin A plus cos A in the answer, but we get cos A plus sin A. Both the things are one and the same. Cos A plus sin A is same as sin A plus cos A, because addition is commutative. Commutative means if we have A and B, any two quantities, if A plus B equals B plus A, then we can say that A and B are commutative. So cos A plus sin A is same as sin A plus cos A, which means option D is the correct answer. Thank you, students. We will meet in another video.